let me ask you a simple question. Let's assume that you are a treasurer of a European company, and as you all know, in Europe, interest rates are negative. विच मीन्स कि अगर मेरे पास इंडिया में अगर मेरे पास 100 रुपए है और मैं जाके उसको इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ एट द एंड ऑफ 1 ईयर आई गेट 4% और 5%, तो 100 रुपए का 105 रुपए। सेम चीज अगर मैं जाके इफ आई एम अ यूरोपियन सिटीजन, मैं यूरोप में बैठा हूँ, जर्मनी में बैठा हूँ, मेरे पास 100 यूरोज है, मैं जाके उसको इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ या उसको बैंक में रख रहा हूँ, द बैंक इज चार्जिंग मी अ नेगेटिव इंटरेस्ट रेट। तो अगर मैंने 100 यूरो रखे हैं बैंक में, तो एक साल के बाद मुझे 99.5 यूरोज ही वापस मिलेंगे, बिकॉज द सेंट्रल बैंक रेट, द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी आउट देयर इज नेगेटिव। And it's not just negative in the short tenor. If you see the yield curve, it's negative right up to 30 years. Be surprised to know the Austrian government issued a 100-year bond. This was in June 2020. That's when they issued the bond. And the headlines that you are seeing here, that Austrian bond at 1.2%, what is this madness? This was an article that came in January or February last year, where the Austrian government was thinking of issuing a bond, and they felt कि ये 1.2% yield पे हम issue कर पाएंगे. When the bond was actually issued, it was issued at 0.88%. So it's not also 2%, not even 1%. It's below 1%. And let's look at this one statement. It's just one statement. Will you invest for 100 years? With a return of 2%. Now, this one problem statement, there are multiple angles or multiple ways in which you can dissect this one statement. And when people said it depends on multiple things, like a lot of you pointed out. Let me hand over the mic to Sumit. Maybe Sumit, you would want to chip in and mention how you are structured. Let me just Sumit, I've given you the mic access, and then maybe we can move to Chetan from Sun Pharma if he wants to contribute. Sumit, your view, or maybe you would want to share how you are structured.
Hi, thanks. Am I audible to all?
Yes, Sumit.
Yeah, thank you, Pranav, and thank you, sir, for highlighting this. See, as far as Tata International Treasury is concerned, we are a company. See some bit of background noise.
No worries.
Yeah, so we are a company which is basically which has 40 subsidiaries within Tata International and spread across variety of regions, pretty much covering the entire globe. So Tata International has offices, for example, in the European region. We have in Americas. We have a large scale operations almost across the whole of African continent. And obviously, being an Indian company, we have exports from India as well. So in terms of dissecting of